This beauty just arrived today. Absolute beauty. Factory original, baby. Look at the sheen. All right, let's see if she cooperates. Grab the, oh. Right, firewire. Getting into that thing was a ton of work, by the way. Isn't she beauty? Isn't she beauty? Brand new bat. Old bat. Surprisingly, these Sonys hold up. But there's a brand new one. What I did is I slid little pieces of clear plastic after I popped each clip, but man, getting in there was a pain. Don't be discouraged though, you can do it. Well, if not, I can. Bring them to me. Et voila, an absolutely beautiful second gen. Restored and working once I turn off the hold switch. Might not have had firewire, but I did have a replacement battery. Hold is now off. Hey! Oh, look at that. Beautiful second gen Nugget. Mr. Nugget. Mr. Nugget. Oh, terrible. Terrible. Hate ABBA. Thank you, Barry Blomquist, for your contribution to my collection. Alright, that's it for this one.